What if I told you there's a simple change you can make that'll turn your hectic mornings into smooth, peaceful ones? Stay with me and I'll reveal the secret that could make your mornings a breeze. Picture this. Your alarm goes off and it feels like a race against the clock. Kids are rushing around, forgetting their breakfast, and the whole vibe is just off. It can be overwhelming, right? Not to mention a rocky start can set the tone for an entire day. Whether it's losing track of time or getting sidetracked by their favorite toys, mornings can quickly turn into a battlefield. And as parents, we want our kids to feel calm and excited when they wake up, not like they're in a high pressure situation. So how do you change this frustrating experience? We'll break down each step of a successful morning routine, including wake up times, breakfast choices, and engaging activities that even a grumpy and challenging child can enjoy. First things first, setting a consistent wake up time is crucial. Let's aim for a time that allows them to get enough sleep while still having time to get ready. Next up is breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Kids get involved in choosing their breakfast options only makes them more excited to eat, but also teaching them about healthy choices. Think colorful smoothies, fun-shaped toast, or even a yogurt parfait they can assemble. It can be helpful for some families to make preparations the night before. Now for those challenging mornings, try incorporating a morning mission. This is a simple, realistic activity that feels like a game. For example, create a mini treasure hunt where they need to find their shoes or backpack, or give them a fun spy mission to complete tasks quietly and quickly. These activities turn routine tasks into playful challenges, making them more appealing even for the grumpiest of kids. Now, here's the secret ingredient that can transform your child's morning into a joyful experience, making them excited to start the day. And that secret ingredient is morning reward tokens. Create a system where your child earns tokens for completing each task on time. These tokens can be exchanged for small rewards or privileges, like choosing the family movie or a weekend with story bedtime. This turns the morning routine into a fun and motivating game, encouraging them to stay focused and complete their tasks happily. By implementing these ultimate morning routines, you can help your child feel ready to tackle the day ahead with confidence. Remember, it's about creating a positive environment where they feel supported and empowered. With a few simple tweaks and a bit of creativity, mornings can transform from chaotic to calm, and your kids can start their day with a smile. If you found this routine helpful, be sure to subscribe for more fun and practical ideas to make family life easier and more enjoyable. See you in the next video.